Veterans and surviving family members of those impacted by burn pits on military bases overseas joined President Biden and activist Jon Stewart for a signing ceremony for a bill veteran groups call the most significant veterans health care legislation ever. Natalie Brand has more details from the White House.
Veterans and their families surrounded President Biden as he signed into law a bill they spent years fighting for.
When they came home, many of the fittest and best warriors that we sent to war were not the same.
The PACT Act expands health care benefits for millions of veterans who returned home from war sick.
We know that I have lead poisoning, that I have high levels of uranium, bismuth, and barium in my system, all of which the doctors attribute to my service in Iraq.
Army veteran Eric Donahoe, who deployed to Iraq, suffered toxic exposure from burn pits on base.
Burning trash and all kinds of other debris like batteries, Humvees, tires, medical waste, human waste is bad for us to breathe in. They should have known that, and they did know that.
This new law helps veterans link more than 20 respiratory illnesses and cancers to their toxic exposure, making it easier for them to get care and benefits.
The burden of proof will be removed from veterans from proving the connection between those 23 illnesses and their deployments.
Navy veteran Tom Porter of Iraq Afghanistan Veterans of America says before today, most claims had been turned down.
It's monumental. This is the biggest deal, probably the biggest veterans health care legislation that's ever been passed into law.
The hardest thing in this entire challenge for me has been my kids witnessing me going in and out of the hospital.
While the health battles may be far from over, today provides new hope. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.